If you're seeing the error, "This phone number cannot be used by iMessage and FaceTime on your iPhone," it may be caused by issues with network settings, Apple ID configuration, or software glitches. Follow these steps to resolve this issue and get FaceTime and iMessage working again. Solution 1: Delete and re-add numbers for FaceTime and iMessage. Open Setting, tap Apple ID, tap Sign In and Security. Here, you can see this number says unavailable for iMessage and FaceTime. Tap the number, tap Removes from Account. Now you need to re-add the number from here. Solution 2: Sign out and sign back in with Apple ID. Check FaceTime and Messages to see if the issue is resolved. Solution 3: Offload and reinstall FaceTime. Open Settings, scroll down, tap General, scroll down, tap iPhone Storage, find FaceTime in the list and tap it. Tap Offload App, then Reinstall App. Solution 4: Enable Background App Refresh. Open Settings, scroll down, tap General, scroll down, tap Background App Refresh. Make sure Background App Refresh is set to Wi-Fi and cellular data. Scroll down to ensure both iMessage and FaceTime are enabled. If this guide helps, keep it handy for future reference.